a bottle of good wine. So let us now bring out the good wine and pour them to our glasses as I call on Mr. Maki Reyes to lead us in toasting Larry and Josie. Sige nga, pakibukas na yung wine natin.
I request everyone to please stand and join me in toasting Larry and Josie.